You gotta watch your back with this guy.
Chance he's gonna break it.
Tim always said you never can trust a Stark.
You think you fight for us? You just fight for yourself.
I know guys with none of that worth 10 of you. And I've seen the footage. The only thing you really fight for is yourself. You're not the guy to make the sacrifice play, to lay down on a wire and let the other guy crawl over you.
Are you incapable of letting go of your ego for one goddamn second?